I want to give a special thank you to Your Honor and to the members of OCA for leadership in helping us try to implement this type of relief to the people of Brooklyn.
The facts are simple. People smoke marijuana no matter what race or economic class you're in, but the enforcement has been done in a very targeted, racial way, and so we are going to address that. What this really does, it allows other DAs across this state to take a look at what happened here in Brooklyn and to start that process. And any process of legalization has to go back and take a look at the harms caused by marijuana enforcement. We're moving in the right direction, but really to promote public safety, you need to actually earn the trust of the people we serve. I think this goes a long way in restoring confidence in our justice system.